am Vikanksha, and you all are welcome to the VC Education Academy. We had completed the question number 1 from 1.3 exercise. Today, we will start with the question number 2 from 1.3 exercise. Complete the given multiplications grid. They had provided us one grid and we has to complete this grid. First, notice in this line, these are the multiplicants. These are the multiplicants because the value of them is increased by 1. They all are in this straight slipping line, all are the multiplicand because their value is increased by 1. And these are the some numbers they had provided to us. We has to take the multiplicand and this is multiplier and fill this grid. Okay, these all are the multiplicants, these all are the different multiplier. We multiply the multiplicants with the multipliers and fill this grid. How? Now see, minus 5 multiplied by 24. If you know the table, it is quite easy to solve this. If you don't know the table, just do the working here and then write the answer. First, I'll do the working here to help you and then we will do directly. Okay. So here, 24 multiplied by 5. 5 fours are 20, 0, carry 2, 2. 5 twos are 10, 10 and 2, 12. Now here, multiplier is a positive and multiplicand is a negative. So opposite sign negative. So answer is minus 120. One more time, we can do it this with the help of the multiplication. 4 fours are 16, carry 1, 4 twos are 8 and 1, 9. Positive, negative, negative 96. Okay. Now here, negative, positive, negative. 24 threes are 72. Okay. Negative, positive, negative. 24 twos are 48. Again, positive, negative, negative. 24 ones are 24. Now here, 24 zeros are 0. Now, you can notice one thing. Your minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And here is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, same number will replicate here, but without sign. Jैसे 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96, and 24 fives are 120. If you complete still this, you only have to write this side number by changing the sign only. Again, minus 18 and 5. Now let's see the sign. This minus, this minus. Same sign, addition. We have learned the rule, same sign, addition. So, your positive sign and there is no need to write the positive sign here. 18 fives are 90. Okay. 18 fours are 72. Minus 18, minus 3, same sign, positive, no need to write the sign. 18 threes are 54. Minus, minus, plus, same sign, no need to write the sign. 18 twos are 36. Minus 18, minus 1, only 18. 0 multiplied by minus 18, 0. Now, see this minus, now the multiplier is a minus and multiplicand is a positive. So, positive and negative, now sign may change. Here was a positive, now here will be the negative. So, 18 ones are 18, minus 18 twos are minus 36. Minus 18 threes are minus 54. Minus 18 fours are minus 72. And minus 18 fives are minus 90. So you can see here one, you can notice one thing, that the sign has been only changed here. Okay. Minus 95 minus same sign. Answer will be positive 475. Minus 95 minus 4, answer 380. Minus 95 minus 3, 285. Minus 95 multiplied by minus 2, 190. Minus 95 multiplied by minus 1, 195. And here, this is negative, multiplier is a negative and multiplicand is a positive. So, positive, negative, negative. Yeah, you can say opposite sign negative. So, opposite sign all will be the negative and same number 95, 190, 2s are 3s are 185, 4s are 380 and 5s are 275. Now we will do this. Multiplier is a positive and multiplicand is a negative. So positive, negative, opposite sign, answer will be negative. 10 5s are 15, 10 4s are 14, 10 3s are 13, 10 2s are 20, 10 1s are 10. So all minus sign because the both multiplicand and the multiplier having opposite sign, and we know that the opposite sign is answer is negative. Again, your multiplicand from your all the positive and this multiplier and multiplicand both are the same sign, that is a positive. So answer will be now positive. So 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40 and 10 5s are 50. Again see here minus, minus, same sign, positive. So 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3, you can say 1 3s or 3 1s are anything, 2 1s are 2, 1, again 0. Now here, this is negative, multiplier is a negative and multiplicand is a positive. Multiplicand is a positive and the multiplier is a negative. So opposite sign will be the answer will be the negative. So answer will be 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4 and 1 5s are 5 with the all negative sign here. Because multiplier is a negative and all multiplicands are positive. Okay. We know that if we multiply the any number with the 0, the answer will be 0. So 0 multiplied by minus 5, 0. 0 multiplied by minus 4, 0. 0 multiplied by minus 3, 0. 0 multiplied by minus 2, 0. 0 multiplied by minus 1, 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 4s are 0 and 0 5s are also 0. If we multiply the 1 with the any number, the value of the number will not change. Okay. So when we multiply 1 with the minus 5, answer will be minus 5. With minus 4, answer will remain minus 4. 1 3s are minus 3. 1 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2. 1 multiplied by minus 1, minus 1. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. And 1 multiplied by 5, 5. So we have completed this grid table. Okay, just write down question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Now, we have to multiply these three numbers. We know that when the number is multiplied by even time, the sign will be positive. If the number is multiplied by odd time, then sign will be negative. How? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 negative sign in the one sum. So 3 is a odd number. So answer will be negative. Okay, so one thing is clear, our answer will be negative. Now, multiply 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. Our answer will be minus 60. Okay, now next one. Count the sign 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times negative. 4 times negative and 4 is an even number. So our answer will be positive. There is no need to write the addition sign or the plus sign. Now just calculate the things. Let's do it more easy. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. And 8, 16 8s are 128. 16 8s are 128. 128 multiplied by 10, 1280. Again, see, 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8. 16 multiplied by 8, 128. 128 multiplied by 10. 10 is 80, 0, carry 8, 10 2s are 20, and 8, 28, 8, carry 2, 10 1s are 1, and 2, 12. So answer is 1280. 1280. Next sum. First, what is the theory to count the sign? First count and find out whether they are the even or odd. So now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is an even number, so the answer will be positive and there is no need to write the sign. Okay, come on, calculate minus 1 and minus 10, 10. Minus 2, minus 3, 6. Minus, minus, plus. Same sign, always positive. Okay, and here 9 fours are 36. Minus, minus, plus, that is a positive. Now do it. 36 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18 and 3, 21. Okay. Now 216 multiplied by 10. Simply add 0. When you are multiplying with the 10, just add 0. It's quite easy. There is no need to calculate also. See, 10 6 are 16, 0, carry 6. 10 1 are 10 and 6, 16, 6, carry 1. 10 2 are 20 and 1, 21. So it is very easy. When you are multiplying with any number, with the 10, 100, 1000, just add how much 0 which you are multiplying with that number. See, if there is a 10, you can add 1 0. If there is 100, you can add 2 0. So there is no need to calculate. Okay. So answer is 1260. 1260. Question D. Minus 1 raised to 12. Yesterday we have learned the rule that if the base is a minus 1 and the power is even, if the base is minus 1 and power is even, answer will be even only. That is a positive. Okay. Now see here, minus 1, 2 or 12. 12 is an even number. So answer will be positive 1. If the power is even, then answer will be positive 1. Here the power is 15. 15 is an odd number. 15 is an odd number. So answer will be minus 1. This concept is clear? If the power is positive, answer will be 1. Even number, positive answer. Odd number, negative answer. This rule will apply only for the minus 1 only. This rule is apply for minus 1 only. If the minus 1 have a positive power, if minus 1 have a positive power, answer will be positive. If the minus 1 is a negative power, answer will be negative. Okay. Question number 4. What will be the sign of the product? They had only asked this about the sign. What will be the sign of the answer if the following conditions are there? First condition, 5 negative and 1 positive number. So they have choose 5 negative number. So 5 times we has to write the negative sign. If we multiply the negative sign 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times, and positive sign 1 time. Now you know that the 5 is a odd number, and if we are multiplying the negative sign odd time, if you are multiplying negative sign with odd number type, then they are always negative. Okay, so 5 is a negative number. 5 times we have multiplied the minus. 5 is an odd number, so answer will be minus or the negative. So what will the answer? Negative. Because positive sign is not going to affect the answer. Only the negative sign will going to affect. If this even number, then the answer will be even. If the negative sign is an even time taken, the answer is a positive. If the negative sign is taken odd time, then it is negative. So 5 is a negative number. So our answer will be negative. Our answer will be negative. They had only asked it which sign you are going to use for the answer. The answer will be negative. Now here, the 10 negative and 3 positive. These 3 signs is not going to affect because they are already positive. Okay, the answer will be affected with the negative sign only. And we know that the 10 is an even number. So answer will be positive. So answer will be positive. Okay, because only answer affected with the negative sign, and here the negative sign is a 10 10, that is an even sign, so answer will be positive. Okay, let's start with the question number 5. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. You have to solve the sum. -2 multiplied by -3 multiplied by -4 multiplied by -6. In this sum, don't confuse with your sign, because you know that you have a 4 minus sign. 1 2 3 4. 4 number is a even, so your answer will be positive. The one thing is clear, your answer will be positive. How? See, take this 2 number and this 2 number. See, same sign positive, you know the rule, same sign positive. So 2 3s are 6. No need to give the sign. Same sign again, positive. 4 6 are 24. Right? Now, 24 6 are 24 multiplied by 6. If you know the table, write directly the answer 144. If you don't know, just calculate. 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. 4 carry 2. 6 2s are 12 and 2 4. 144. The answer is 144. Okay, clear? See what we had did? We have choose this 2 number, this 2 number. You can say, you can calculate direct the minus sign or the negative sign. The negative sign is in 4 times, and you know the 4 number is even, so your answer will be positive. You know that from the first look only. Now take the pair of the two numbers. As we know, the same sign, positive, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. There is no need to write the plus sign here. Direct multiply and write 6. 2 3s are 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 6 are 144. Okay. Question number 5b. They have given us 3 number, -5, -10 and -9. Calculate the negative sign, number of the negative sign. 1, 2, 3. 3 is the odd number. Answer will be negative. Answer will be negative. You can change the order of the number when you are multiplying. The answer is not going to change. Okay. So we can write this sum. -5 multiplied by -9 multiply by -10. Now first we will do this 2 calculation here. Minus minus plus, same sign positive. 4 5 9s are 45. It is a positive because same sign positive. Okay. Multiply by -10. Now 45 is a positive and 10 is a negative. So answer will be positive, negative, opposite sign, answer negative. So answer will be negative. While multiplying any number with the 10, 100, just count the 0 and write the 0 front of the back, last at the number. The answer will be same. How? I wrote 45, only 1 0, 450 answer. Okay. Without any calculation, you can just count the 0 and write down the 0, you get the answer. Question 5c. 16 multiplied by 8 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -2. First, calculate all negative sign in the number and find out whether your answer will be positive or negative. In this whole sum, only 2 negatives are there. So negative, negative, same sign 2 times, that is an even time, answer will be positive. Okay. 2 negative, answer positive. 2 is an even number, so answer is a positive. Okay. So this concept is clear. Now just write down the number. 16 multiply by 8 multiply by 5 2s are 10, and answer is a positive. So just write down the 10. If you know the table, you can do it very well. And say 16 8s are 128. Multiply by 10. See again 10, you only has to add the 0. 128 and this 0. Answer is 1280. Question number 5D. 1 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 2. The first rule when we are solving the sum, we have to find out the sign. So there is a 2 negative sign, so answer is a positive. 2 negative sign, 2 same sign, you can say the answer is a positive. We can simplify the writing the negative sign near. We just change the sequence of the number to make it more easy. Now see, this 2 minus sign is now closed, so you can easily solve this. 4 ones are 4. This minus and this minus, to the same sign will be positive. 6 twos are 12. 12 fours are 48. Answer is a 48. And here we have completed the exercise number 1.3. Thank you.